So what's probably your favorite part about doing maintenance packages? Because I will say you get a lot of maintenance customers.
I would say like my favorite part about the maintenance package, it's an in and out type of service. So generally, depending on the size of smaller vehicles like this, take about an hour and a half, 2 hours. Most of the cars that I do are kept up. I come in and I keep the cars up for them. So it's a very easy package. It's easier to get my maintenance customers scheduled in because I already know what to expect. It's one of my favorite packages because I come in, I wipe down. Sometimes with this package, I also offer now add-ons. So you can add on leather conditioning, the panel conditioning, headlights or engine bay or whatever. If they want to add on, they can add that on with this package now.
What's been your favorite vehicle that you've done so far? Or what would you say has been in like your top tier of like, I would love to do that vehicle again? And this is hard for you because you're a car guy in general.
My favorite top 3 vehicles, I've done, I would say the Clydesdale big trucks.
Ooh, Budweiser.
That was pretty cool to do. So those are pretty cool to do. That'd be like my number 1. Number 2, I would say I did a GTR, an older GTR. And then number 3,
the old school that you did was pretty cool because the guy had like a photo album of everything that he had done to it.
Yeah. That 442.
Sorry. Dark Fury.
But yeah, that old school was pretty cool. Yeah, he had a whole story to it. Not just that one, that Chevelle too. I did.
Well, the Chevelle is a dream car, that's why.
But not that model. I want the 60.
Oh, sorry, not that model.
Yeah, not that model. I want the 6. I think it's the 69, the one that I really like. The 1969 or the 70.
Okay, so let's counter that. What are your least 3 vehicles that you like to do that you're like, oh man, it's one of those, but I'm gonna do it for you anyways, but still, it's one of those?
Any Toyota vehicle.
Any Toyota?
Yeah, the carpet's horrible. Honda seats, horrible. Honda seats, horrible.
Okay, so you said any Toyota because of the carpet.
Yeah, the carpet and those suck. The
any Honda for the seat.
Shampoo in the Honda seats, horrible.
Okay, and the last one? I think I know.
What?
I'm gonna say big rigs that they have different drivers in and out of them. When it's someone who doesn't own the big rig.
Yeah, man, I did. Remember the one that I did? I didn't even do it because it had a rat in it. Yeah. No. I showed up there and saw the rat. Hell no. I told them, hey, I can't do this. That's one thing I don't play with, animals.
And he's not lying.